Hello everybody, it's me Scooter, and we're here to show you our next giveaway. Congratulations to our winners that won those other giveaways, but we are about to show you our next giveaway. I hope you can see it. But our next giveaway is Sasha Banks. This is 9 of 10, so we hope and we wish you the best of luck on this giveaway. We do got some more, but this is the one we're giving away now. It's Miss Sasha Banks, 9 of 10. So all we can say is good luck. Can't wait to win this. We will be giving this away next Wednesday. And on that bombshell, good luck everybody.